Hello, good afternoon. Okay, so what we want to do now is computer science. Okay, it's time for computer science, and we want to just look through the laptop, working with the laptop. This is my mouse. As I move it, can you see my cursor move? As I move the mouse, see, I'm working with the mouse, and look at the cursor moving. Can you see it? Good. And remember, the mouse has the right click and the left click. Can you see? The right and the left click. Okay? When I do the right click, can you see? When I do the right click, can you see what happens? And remember, this is the screen, this is the monitor that shows you the things that are happening on the computer, and these are the keys. So this is the keyboard. Can you see? A, S, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, semicolon, and all the other letters, numbers, figures. Remember, we talked about the alphanumeric codes of the computer. The numeric is the numbers, the alpha are the alphabets. Can you see them all on the computer? There are some other keys on the computer. We have the escape key, escape. We have the control key. We have the tab. Can you see the tab? We have the tab. We have the caps lock. Okay, what I'll do now is, for each of them, when I show you, I'll show you what they do. Okay, for the caps, when I press the caps and the light is on, anything I type shows as capital. I love to. Can you see it? Is it clear? Okay, it's clearer now. I love to read. I read a lot. Can you see that? Good. But when I turn off the caps and I type, it won't be in capital letters again. I love to read. I read a lot. Can you see it? Can you see? That's how to use the caps lock. That's how to use the caps lock. We have the home key. This is the home key. If you check your laptop, your desktop at home, you will see the home key. Can you see it? Home. Home is written on it. And what happens is, I'm going to click on the home key and you will see what happens to the cursor. Can you see the cursor here? Can you see it here? So I'm clicking on the home key. I want you to see what will happen. Can you see? It went to the beginning of the line. Let's do that again. See it at the end. Blinking. Right? It's blinking. Now I take it to the beginning. What key am I pressing? Home. And it's blinking at the beginning. But if I want to take it to the end, you go to the end key. You go to the what? End key. Can you see? End. Can you see it? End. let me shine some light there so you'll be able to see. Can you see the end key? Can you see the home key? Good. So if you want to go to the end, you click on end. You click on, see, I'm going to click on end now. Good. Okay, the next one is page up. Page up. Can you see the page up? It's written as PG up, and there is page down. That's PG down. This is page up, page down. Can you see them? Good. Page up, page down. So let's see what page up, page down will do. I'm about to click on page up. Can you see where the cursor is? Page up. So where is the cursor now? Where is it? Can you see it? Can you see it? What can you notice? Can you see it? That's why it's showing the K, because it took the cursor up. Okay? And if I now go page down, remember PG, DN, page down. Can you see it goes to the bottom of the page? Goes to the bottom of the page. See? It took you to the bottom of the page. That's page up and page down. So let's look at the, what else are we looking at? We've done the home key, the end key, page up, page down. Now we want to do delete. We want to delete. Okay? We want to delete. Can you see the delete button? That's the delete button. Can you see it? Good. We want to delete now. Let's read the first sentence. I will like to write about my experience in Kids and Cuddles School. So we want to delete that. So what do? You click on the delete button. Can you see it's deleting it? I would like to write about my experience in Kids and Cuddles School. See? I was able to delete with that. But if I want to delete something at the back, okay, I want to use my end key and it takes me to the end. Can you see? It takes me to the end. If I want to delete everything on this line, I use the backspace. I use what? The backspace. I use what? Can you see the backspace? This is the backspace. I use the backspace. Okay? So I click on the backspace and it's deleting everything there. Can you see? So it deleted everything there. Then we have one more key I want us to look at. We have one more key I want us to look at. That's the control key. That's the control key. The control key. Can you see it? CTRL. Control. For some laptops, they have it in two places. Can you see it again? It's here and it's here. Can you see it? It's here and it's here. Okay, so the control button works with a lot of things. If I want to go to a new page, I click on control and I click on enter. See, I'll click on control and enter, and it takes me to another page. Can you see that? If I want to select all this, I click control and I click letter A, and it selects everything. Control and letter A. Can you see? And if I want to save it, I click control and S. See, it's asking me to save. It's asking me to save. So I think that will be all for today. I will save it as computer class. Okay, as computer class. Try and see how many of that you can do by yourself. Now that I've saved it, the name has come up at the top. Can you see? Computer class. So if you can have access to a laptop, see as many things as you can do with the laptop. Okay, good. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow.